Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add AdSense code to WordPress. Let's get started. You can see right here that I have my AdSense already enabled, and then I already actually installed or connected my domain, which is this one, into my actual AdSense. So what I can do is I can head over and then just log in on my AdSense using my Google account that I actually used with this one. So next thing we need to do is just click on the setup ads right here, and then once you click on that, you should be able to set up some ads for this particular one. You can see in here your stats as well, your content, your search traffic, and all of these things. So this will load right here in order to show you the ads that you can create. Now in here you can see this get code. So head over and click on that code right here, and you should have it over and then click on copy right here. Now you can copy and paste this code in between the head and tags of your site. So click on done right here and then putting here on the conversion tracking ID. Now in here, as you can see, there will be an error. So what you can do is you need to make sure to add this to your website. So in order to add this to your website, you can head over and scroll down until you can see this option for appearance and this theme file editor. Head over and then click on that from there. Now it will show you the files of your theme. Now in here you can actually search in here for theme files as well if you want to. Now for this case, head over and add this on your header.php, and then it will show you the header.php that you want, and then we have in here this header file. So just put in here some space, and then on the space that you have right here, just head over and then add this right here on the 18th. Then once it's been added, make sure to save this function in order to make this possible. Once you have actually saved this, you can install your Google AdSense right here to your site kit. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.